helium balloons, and it has to go through, and that is happening in this area, but it would be more likely to get to this one new one and then to the other side. But it seems like want to see you have fun at home, and we can go to back to in the evening and get back together in the next day and get back the way you want to do it now and get back into this week, and we will take it care of and get to know the price, and the money will get you in my account now. So hard to find out where you want to